Hello there, welcome to another episode of Behind the Data with me, Alastair Hope, where we'll be talking you through some of the things that have been moving the markets through the month of January. As you can see on the charts, 2021 got off to an absolute flyer. Gas and power prices both very, very strong, with gas there trading all the way up to sort of, around about 80 pence a therm and above intraday. A lot of this was really down to concerns about the weather again. So I think if you tuned into the last episode, we just started to touch on it there as we start to move into these colder months. There's always an element of cold weather risk, but in some of the forecasts we're starting to pick up potential of a sudden stratospheric warming event, which, if you remember, back in 2018 brought some severe and prolonged cold, and some of the forecasts and some of the traders and analysts were concerned about this, but it was exaggerated as well by a lack of LNG coming to the UK, with very, very high prices for LNG on the other side of the world in the Far East, and so most of the LNG was heading that way, and just leaving the UK potentially a little bit short should this nasty cold weather event happen. But as you can see, as we've gone through the month, a lot of that risk has started to be priced out. Forecasts started to suggest that actually the weather could actually turn out a little bit warmer than first thought. And as soon as temperatures in the Far East started to warm up a little bit, and nuclear availability started to increase on the other side of the world as well, then it looked as though some of this LNG was going to start heading back towards the UK, and we saw some more risk priced out there. In power prices, once again, where gas goes, power will try and follow. But the sort of most notable thing in the power market was some of those really high day-ahead prices that were being seen through the first half of January, whereas we had a lack of wind, a lot of system tightness, and triggering some of those very high day-ahead prices. I hope you found that informative. I hope you tune in again next time, where we'll be talking about what's happened through the month of February. Thanks very much.